so on. Last term we get it as a y raised to n. It is called as a binomial theorem. In this class we'll define some of our important note and then we'll go with the solution of a multiple choice questions. First note, the number terms in the expansion x1 plus x2 plus so on x raised to n, its power is n, okay, equal to it is a combination n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. It is a combination. So one more, so wherever it is a x1 plus x2 like that xn raised to n, we can apply this note. Further, it is a plus d, a plus 2d like that, a plus nd. It is a arithmetic progression is multiplied by, yes, like this, ac0 a plus d c1 like this. So this is equal to, it is a 2a plus nd into 2 raised to n minus 1 here. So any expression if you see in this form, then we have to use the result as 2a plus nd is multiplied by 2 raised to n minus 1. Okay, next we'll go through a Pascal triangle. Binomial coefficient of a different powers of a plus b can be obtained from the following, which is called as a Pascal triangle. So like we'll come across 10c2 like that, or we can write 5c2. Like we need to calculate every time what is the value of a 5c2. Now using a Pascal triangle we can remember the coefficient of any NCR. That is first one, a plus b raised to 1. It is 1 1 here. That is a into 1 plus b into 1 it is. Now if it is a plus b whole square, then see it is 1 to 1. How it is? So 1 I take it as it is, 1 plus 1 it is a 2. Okay, then 1 I will carry forward. Then see every time 1 1 1 1 it will be. Here also it is a 1 1. So 1 plus 2 3, 2 plus 1 3 here it is like that. 3 1 plus 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4 like that it is. So here also 1 plus 4 it is a 5, 4 plus 6 10, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5. Suppose if we have a plus b raised to 5, okay, a plus b raised to 5, then we write the binomial expansion 5c1 5c2, then use these constants. Yes, it is there like this. Okay, so it is like a raised to 5, next is multiplied with a 1, next 5 into a raised to 4 b, next after that after 5 we have a 10, here we have to decrease it a cube, and b we have to increase it square. See here 5, 4 plus 1 5, 3 plus 2 5, see power will be constant. Next 10 a square b cube, next 5 a b raised to 4, next 1 it is a b raised to 5 it is. This is a binomial expansion of a plus b raised to 5 here. We have to note it, these values, very simple to remember. It is a Pascal triangle, 1 1 1 we have to write. Here it is a 1, 1 plus 1 2, here 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 1 3 like that. See we have to add it, middle we have to write that answer here every time. Here it is like this here. Then 1 we have to carry forward in both the direction. This is called as a Pascal triangle here. Using this Pascal triangle, see we have to remember the coefficient in a CET, like any binomial a plus b raised to n, we can expand using this Pascal triangle. Okay. Now directly we begin with the example. So example, first example, if 1 plus x raised to n equal to c0 plus c1x into x, c2 into x square plus so on Cn x raised to n. Then usual notation then we have to write what is meant by 2C0, 2C1, 2C2, like that. It is a 2Cn. Okay, this is one of a standard formula. So this is given by the expression 2n factorial divided by n factorial whole square, n factorial whole square. Therefore option C 2n factorial divided by n factorial square, it is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. It is 50 0 like this square. It is nothing but a combination. Okay, so this expansion, it is in the form, it is, we can write this as nc0 whole square, next nc1 whole square. Similarly, we have 50 it is, so we can write ncn, it is a whole square. So further, see, solution for this is, it is a 2n cn here. So that notation here they have defined it. So according to that I have written, and this is a standard one, we can write 2n cn. So here we observe that n is a 50 here. So in this given example, the value of n is 50. I will substitute over here. So we get 2 into 50 C 50. Okay, so 2 into 50 100 C 50. Okay, this option is not there, so I use this notation back. So this can be written as n r, that is 100 C 50 here. Therefore option A 100 n is 100 C 50 is a right answer. We'll move to our next example. The coefficient of it is 2r plus 4 term and r minus the second terms in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 18 are equal, then the value of r equal to, okay. See, they are equal. I use one notation. It is a n equal to 18. So 18, it is a 2r plus 4 minus 1. That is, I use ncr minus 1 equal to, it is 18 c ncr minus 1, r minus 2 minus 1, like this. So here I used, this is a r, and here I used, this is a r. Yes, n equal to 18 it is. So we will simplify. So we get 18 c 2r plus 3 it is, and here it is 18 c, it is a r minus 3. Now n are same, r we will equate that is 2r plus 3 equal to r minus 3. This is one of a property of a combination. You have studied it in a first year. So if we simplify, if we write a solution for r, we get r equal to 6 here. So r equal to 6 is the answer. Therefore option C is a right answer. Option C is a right answer. Okay. We'll move to our next example. Sum of the odd binomial coefficients of 1 plus x raised to 50 is. So odd binomials means 1, 3, 5, 7. All of these are odd binomials. So then we will define it. Sum of the odd binomials coefficients is equal to, it is a 2 raised to n minus 1 to the power minus 1. See here, it is a 2 raised to n. In this example, n is a 50. It is a 50 minus 1, that is equal to 2 raised to 50 minus 1. It is a 49. Therefore, option C, 2 raised to 49 is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Yes, next example. 1 minus x plus x square raised to n equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus so on. It is a 2n x raised to 2n. Then we have to calculate the value of a naught plus a2 plus a4 plus an value we need to calculate. That means we have to eliminate odd numbers from this expression. Okay. So it is a given that 1 minus x plus x square raised to n equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2 x square plus so on. It is a 2n x raised to 2n. We have to eliminate odd numbers, so I put x equal to 1 in equation number 1. It is okay. So we get we'll get 1 here, because 1 minus 1 get cancels. 1 square 1 equal to, it is a naught plus a1 plus a2, okay, plus so on. We get a 2n. So further we'll put the value of x equal to, it is a minus 1. So we get, it is a minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. It is 3 raised to n. 3 raised to n equal to, we get a naught minus a1 plus a2, like that. Last term, it is a 2n. Now see, we want to cancel odd terms, so we'll add all these. Okay. Plus a1 minus a1 get cancels, so we get, it is a 2a1, sorry, 2a naught 2a1, like that. Sorry, we get only even numbers. Okay, see, a1 get cancels, 2a2 like that, 2a4 like that. It is a 2n equal to 3n plus 1. Now we have to take a 2 common outside. We get a naught, it is a 2n equal to 3n plus 1. Now we need to write a solution for a1 plus a2 plus a4. So 2 will transport it to RHS. So we get a naught plus a2 plus so on a2n equal to, it is a 3 raised to n plus 1 divided by 2 it is. Therefore, we have to check a right answer. So it is 3 raised to n plus 1 divided by 2. Therefore, option B is a right answer. Option B is a right answer. We'll move to our next example. It is given that the coefficient of the term independent of x in the expansion of under the square root of x by 3 plus 3 by 2x square raised to 10 is. Okay. So independent term, first we have to write a general formula. In a general formula, we have to take a x power. It is independent of x. That means the value of x, we have to coefficient, we have to equate it to 0. If you simplify, we get a r value. That r value once again we have to substitute, and we will get a independent term. Okay. So now In a general formula, we will substitute all these values. Say last class we have studied general term definition I have given. Those who are you have not understood this, kindly go through it. You will find TR plus 1 expansion formula. Okay, so it is NCR 10CR and root x by 3 raised to 10 minus r. First term raised to n minus r, and second term raised to n minus r it is. Okay, then further we need to simplify this. So simplification, we get 10CR and 1 by 3 raised to root means 1 by 2, 10 minus r divided by 2, then 3 by 2 raised to r. X I have separated, so we get x raised to, it is a 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r. Okay, so now independent term, that is x power is equated to 0. If it is a power 1, it is equated to 1. Power 2 equated to 2. Now independent of x, so equated to 0. So we get 5 minus r by 2 minus 2r. Okay. If we simplify this, we get 10 minus 5r equal to 0. Yes, or else we get r equal to, it is a 2. R equal to 2. Now in this formula we have to replace r by 2. We get this as T3 equal to 10C2 1 by 3 raised to 4 and 3 by 2 raised to 2. If we simplify this, so we get 10C2, it is a 10 into 9, it is a 2 is 1 into 2. Okay, so 1 by 3 raised to 4 and 3 square divided by 2 square, right? If you simplify this, we get 5 divided by 4, 5 by 4 as an answer. So right answer is 5 by 4. Option C is a right answer. C is a right answer. So here it is a example, it is a mentioned independent of x. So I have equated to 0. See, depending on a power of a x, we have to equate and we have to find that coefficient of a particular function x or x square, that we have to calculate. Now we will move to a example number 11. The value of C1 divided by 2 plus C3 divided by 4 plus C5 divided by 6 so on is equal to, okay, this is a one standard formula. I write it this, you have to remember this one. C1 divided by 2, C3 divided by 4, C5 divided by 6 up to like infinite number of terms or n terms. This is given by the formula 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by n plus 1. So it is one of our important formula you have to remember using a property it is. Okay, so option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. The sum of the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus x minus 3x square raised to 3148 is. So very simple. Yes, so I write that it is 1 plus x minus 3x square raised to, it is a 3148. See, sum of a coefficient we have to obtain it. So very simple, we have to put here the power, or else this x equal to, it is a 1 here, x equal to 1. If we substitute x equal to 1, we get a 1 plus x equal to 1 minus 1 into 3, 3 it is, raised to, it is a 3148. Then further 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, minus 1 raised to we get a minus 1 raised to 3148. Yes, minus 1 raised to even number, always it is a plus 1. Therefore option C 1 is a right answer. Option C 1 is a right answer. Okay, yes. We'll move to our next example. The middle term in the expansion of x minus 1 upon x raised to 18. So here the power is 18. 18 is, you have to calculate. So steps involved in this. Here we will write the value of n. It is a n equal to, it is a 18. Okay, so which is even number? N equal to 18 is a even number. In our last class we have discussed about if it is a even number and odd number, how to take its middle term here. Okay, suppose if it is an odd number, there will be two middle term. If it is, here it is n equal to 18, we will get only one middle number. So that we have discussed in a last class. So those who are new to this video, kindly go to it. Okay, next, it's a middle term. It is given by the formula n by 2 plus 1 here. Further, I write the value of n as a 18. It is 18 by 2, that is a 9 plus 1 here. Okay, that we get it as a 10 here. So 10th term is the middle here. Okay, then general formula we use it. General formula t r plus 1, that is t10 equal to, it is nc9, it is x raised to n minus 9, and a raised to, it is a, or we can take a y raised to, it is a 9, we can take it y raised to 9. X is first term, this one. Y is minus 1 upon x, that will substitute in a next term. Yes, so n equal to, it is a 18, it is a 18c9, x raised to, we get a, this is n equal to 18, 18 minus 9, and y is minus 1 upon x raised to, it is a 9. So further we'll simplify this. It is 18c9, x raised to 18 minus 9, 9 it is, and here it is minus 1 divided by x raised to 9 it is. So numerator x raised to 9, denominator x raised to 9 get cancels. So we get answer for this is minus sign outside, it is a 18c9. Therefore right option is minus 18c9. Option B is a right answer. Okay, like this, depending on a even and odd, we need to simplify. If it is a, remember, if it is a odd, we get a two middle term. Now it is a even, we have only one middle term here. Okay, now we'll move to a next example. If C0, C1, C2, so on Cn denote the binomial coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x raised to n, and the value of C0 plus 2C1 plus 3C2 plus so on, and the nth term n plus 1 Cn is equal to 576. Then we have to calculate the value of n, that is the number of terms here. Yes, we'll use one important formula, that is a C0 plus 2C1 plus 3C2 plus so on, it is n plus 1 Cn is given by the formula, it is n plus 2 times 2 raised to n minus 1 it is. further it is a given that its nth term is equal to 576. So I take this whole expression as 500 and it is a 76 equal to, it is n plus 2 is multiplied by 2 raised to n minus 1. Here we have several options. Option A is 7, option B is 8, next 9 and 10. Now we'll substitute the value of n equal to 7. So after substitution, if we get LHS equal to RHS, then n equal to 7 is a right answer. Okay, so it is 576 equal to n is 7 plus 2, next 2 raised to 7 minus 1. So 7 plus 2, 9 into 2 raised to 6. If we simplify this, we get 576 equal to 576. LHS and RHS both are verified. Therefore, the value of n is 7. That is, option A is the right answer. Okay. Example number 15. The ninth term of the expansion, it is 3x minus 1 upon 2x raised to 8. So raised to 8 is, okay. So ninth term we have to calculate. That is, we use the formula of a general term. Okay, that is TR plus 1. T9 equal to, it is a 8C8, then it is a 3x raised to 0, next minus 1 raised to, it is a 2x raised to 8. I used a formula NCR equal to x raised to n minus r, y raised to r it is. Okay. Further, 8C8 we get it as a 1, next 3x raised to 0, it is a 1, minus 1 raised to 8, it is a 1, divided by 2 raised to 8, x raised to 8, right? Yes, further, it is a 1 divided by 2 raised to 8, it is 256 x raised to 8, 256 x raised to 8. Therefore, option C, 1 divided by 256 x raised to 8, option C is a right answer. C is a right answer. Okay. We'll move to a next example. The coefficient of x raised to 5 is 1 plus x square raised to 5, 1 plus x raised to 4 is. That is, here it is first n equal to 5, we will expand it. So it is, we get 1 plus 5c1, it is x square, then 5c2, x raised to 4, then 5c3, it is x raised to 6 plus so on this. Okay, right. Then we need to find coefficient of x raised to 5. Now we'll write coefficient of x raised to 5 we will calculate. So this is given by, yes, it is 5c2 into 4c1, because see here x raised to 4, next x raised to 1 we want, then 5c2, 4c1, next one more term we will get it, that is 4c3, 5c1. Okay, 4c3, 5c1, 5c1 x square, 4c3 it is x raised to 3, both it will become x raised to 5. Okay, I hope you understood. Now 5c2 NCR formula we use it, so it is 5 into 4 divided by 2 into 1 it is multiplied by 4c1, it is a 4. Next excuse me, 4c3 it is a 4 into 3 into 2 divided by 3 into 2 into 1, and 5c1 it is a 5. Okay, further if we simplify the first term we get answer as a 14, and second term simplification we get this as a 20. So simplifying this 40 plus 20 we get it as a 60. Therefore option C 60, this is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. If the coefficient of the rth term and r minus 1th term is the expansion of 1 plus x raised to 20 r in the ratio 1:2, then r equal to, okay, first we'll write 1 plus x raised to 20, its expansion, then we'll take the ratio of rth term and r plus 1th term, then simplifying we'll get the value of we'll get a value of a r. So first we'll expand, it is 1 plus x raised to 20 equal to, expansion is 1 plus 20 c1x, next 20 c2 x square, plus so on, we'll get a last term as x raised to 20 it is. Okay, so now we'll take a ratio. Okay, ratio is it is t r divided by t r plus 1 equal to, it is a 20 c r minus 1 divided by 20 c r. Okay, x raised to, it is a r minus 1, and here it is x raised to, it is r. Okay, further ratio it is 1 by 2, so we'll take this ratio as a 1 by 2, then we get 20 c r minus 1 divided by 20 c r it is. Okay, so if we simplify this one, okay, if we simplify we'll get this as r divided by, it is 21 minus r, and here it is 1 by 2. Okay, then cross multiply, so we get 2r equal to 21 minus r. So minus r transporting to LHS and simplifying we get the value of r equal to, it is a 7. Yes, r equal to 7 is a right answer. Therefore option B r equal to 7, this is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The coefficient of x raised to minus 9 in the expansion of x square divided by 2 minus 2 by x raised to 9 is. So the procedure is, it is similar to a previous examples, that is we have to write a general term, then x coefficient we have to take it as minus 9, and on simplifying we will get a r value. Okay, after calculating a r value we have to substitute in once again in a general formula, and if we simplify it and we get the coefficient of x raised to minus 9. Okay, so first looking at this we will write a general formula, it is t r plus 1 equal to 9c r, next x square divided by 2 raised to n minus r, 9 minus r, next minus 2 divided by x raised to r. Okay, further we need to simplify, we have to take x separated from this term, So we get a 9CR 1 by 2 raised to 9 minus R and minus 2 raised to R, and we get x raised to 18 minus 2R minus R. Okay, now x power we have to equate with this x power, x raised to minus 9, we get 18 minus 2R minus R equal to minus 9. If we simplify this, so we get 18 minus 3R equal to minus 9. So we get R equal to, it is a 9. R equal to 9 we get it. Then we have to find coefficient of x raised to minus 9. Now R value we have to substitute in general formula. We get 9C9 it is 1 by 2 raised to 0 we get it, and minus 2 raised to, it is a 9. Okay, then 9C9, you know all of you, it is a 1 by 2 raised to 0 1, and minus raised to 9, it is a minus 2 raised to 9, it is a 512. So we get answer as minus 512. Therefore option B minus 5 raised to minus 512 is a right answer. So in this class we have studied some of our previous year entrance examination example using a simple tricks, and in a next session once again we'll come with one more new topic. Thank you everyone.